Jonny! Woo! Oh! Johnny's gone the wrong way already. Well, this is a rarity these days. Played here with my old mate Jonny Bong. The Bong is back! Yes! First lap vibes! Alright lads. Oh! Man nearly went down. You gotta get over that log there, look. Straight in front of you.
I don't think you do, mate, but I'll do it for you.
Yes, lad. Oh no! Oh, that's awful! Trying to stay clean and dry. This is such a nice day. Oh, Jonny! John! I had to wait long enough, but we knew it was coming, dude. I know. Oh, look at the mud coming out of the fairing. Oh, the Bong is back. Yes, Jonny, you did well to avoid falling in there. Johnny's gone down. It wasn't long. First lap. He's got that one out of the way. Plenty more to come. Bosh! Ooh! So I'm trying the new Polysport supposedly unbreakable levers today. Feel alright. What more can you say about them? Only time will tell. Same with this tyre, Plus Grand Prix. We don't know, do we, until we're done. We're back at the van. Jonny Bong's in front of me, so we're going to catch him up. Unless he's proper on pipe. Oh, he's stopped already. There's a lot of smoke. Has he had a crash? There's a lot of two-stroke coming out of that bike then, wasn't there? Have you got an issue?
Where are we, down there?
This way. Whoa. Obviously loads of new going, as described. Whoa. Sit into that one. Get back up for the braking bumps, wherever they are. Sit on that one as well. Whoa! I got loose on that bit. Oh, overshot. Where is it? Oh my god. I haven't been here for years, but I do recognise a lot of this. Fuck. How's that front end? skids. Oh, what's that cheeky little line he's got there? Where do we... Yes, Johnny! Oh. Get his legs everywhere. That's what we want to see. Oh. Oh. Johnny's getting loose. Thank you. Oh, Johnny lad! Yes! They're blowing a bit, lad.
Yeah.
Oh no! I think I splashed him, but I've ended up the wrong way. Sorry, Johnny. Oh. Oh no! Oh, that serves me right for fucking about. Ow, my elbow. He's looking the other way. Yes, Johnny lad. Woo! Oh, Johnny! A bit of whiskey, I reckon.
Yeah, I think a bit of whiskey.
And then it went into back here, lad.
Definitely a bit of whiskey.
That Michelin grip, didn't it?
It did.
And a broken bike there. Right, last lap of the day. Yeah. Whoa! That's a bit better, that. Whoa, that's tight. Johnny. Go on, Johnny. That's it. Oh, it's so fun to get so close. Danger! Danger! Go on, lad. Oh, it's on me. Oh, we're off PC here. Woo! Sketchy moments. Wow. Think fast there. Yes, Johnny, keep it flowing. Oh no! Oh, what's he done to me here? Whoa! He's riding well now, is Johnny, to be fair. Yes! Good footage. Oh, some legs all over here, Johnny lad. Oh, YZ there. Might be Cody Webb or Midwest MX. Just gonna stay alongside Johnny here, wide angle lens on. Yes, Johnny! Oh, I can't turn. That was the ultimate block pass, I couldn't turn in. Yes, lad. Faster, Johnny! Go on, send it! Lovely riding. Get on that clutch, lad. We'll have a bit of a bez and we'll wait for him up here. Whoa! What's up? Are you tired?
I'm tired. I'm tired.
You're riding way better than that first lap.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just can't maintain it.
Let's do it, Johnny. Here we go, last little bit of the day. And we've already gone wrong. He's done it better than last lap. Oh, we're all both on the clutch there. You alright?
Yeah.
Wow, he's rapid. But can he get past the Bong? Doubt it. Bong will be far too quick for him. Yeah, look. Can't even get near him, look. Yeah, he's given up. Come on, Jonny. Hey?
There's a fast lad coming in there.
Yeah, he stopped there. You were too quick for him, mate. He'd give up. Hey. And that'll be it for another vlog. This has been Elmsley Play Day. Me and Jonny Bong. The Bong is back. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Whoa. Well, I'm looking at your bars for a start. What's all this? I had to give you some wire if you want to take some wire home, Jonny. You don't need to steal it.
Got any cable clips? No wonder I've been riding shit.
Oh yeah, that's definitely why. That was slowing you right down. Why? Your bike looks sad. Why has it got... Jonny, what's up?
It's a Lamborghini. Lamborghini car.
Oh my God, Jonny, what is going on with this? I'll fix it, don't worry about that. I'm just more bothered about state at front end. Headlights hanging off, mudguards snapped, both wrap round things are hanging out. You're a melt, you, Jonny.